Here we are at Long Creek Homestead, Frederick, Maryland. These are hardy kiwis grown on an arbor. That's the Pawpaw Nursery in the background. No shade netted structures. This beautiful ground cover is a running comfrey. It's called heat coat. It's one of the first things to shoot up, create food source for the early season bees. They're all over it. Keeps out grass and everything. Great ground cover. Here's a hybrid willow that we work with for making archways and domes. Entrance to our food forest. You can see the ground cover comfrey there again. In the center there is a medlar tree. It's in the apple family. Produces a fruit that gets harvested in December. Pretty cool. Pretty apple family flower on there. See that? Coming around. That's a juneberry tree. Very pretty, also in the apple family. Produces a blueberry almond flavored fruit. This is a jujube. This is a contorted. I've also seen it called dragon. Next is the pawpaws. Sitting on a swale. Last of their flowers leaving, and you see the leaves coming out. Looks like a really good fruit set this year. Coming around here is a fuki patch. Fuki's Japanese perennial vegetable that I also use as a great ground cover. You can see that's a black currant bush there. It's consort, variety consort, which does really well. There's a youngish pawpaw, about 5-6 years old, popping out of the fuki. And this Siberian pea shrub, nitrogen fixing shrub, sticking out of the fuki too. And this is an orange tree. This is a northern hardy trifoliate orange. These are goumi bushes, sweet scarlet, and red gem. They're going to fruit very soon, along with the juneberry and the currants in June. Its ground cover is nettles. Awesome for making mineral-rich compost and food. Back in there's our black locust fenced in deer garden. And the back of it is a hardy kiwi arbor loaded with blossoms and fruits to come.